I have great news. There are now over 1,000 of us, meaning over 1,000 of you have subscribed to the channel to become a part of the No Mediocre family, which further implies to me that over 1,000 of you are interested in the content posted here. And you know what that makes me feel? Makes me feel awesome. And I just want to thank you for always showing your support, liking the videos, sharing the videos, leaving your comments, stuff like that. But I also want to welcome all my new subscribers to the No Mediocre family. And if you are viewing this channel for the first time, I implore you, become a part of the No Mediocre family by hitting that subscribe button right below. And another thing, guys, remember to turn your post notification bell on so that you don't miss out whenever I post a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a tea from the leaves of this plant. Now this plant right here, I know it as mint. And mint is probably one of the most renowned bush teas, right? If you know about mint, let me know. It was recently that I found out that mint is actually the name of several plant species, and this one in particular, look at it, and this one in particular is known as peppermint, and it belongs to the genus Mentha. However, someone told me the other day that when she was growing up, she heard people call it puss mint. Now, I've never heard of that name before. If you've heard of that name, let me know in the comment section. Or if you know of any other name for peppermint or mint in general, let me know. I love the aroma of mint. Smells so good. And there are actually several health benefits that you can get from drinking peppermint tea. So hear what, guys, we're not gonna waste no time. Let's get right into discussing some of the health benefits that you can get from drinking peppermint tea. And I'll also show you how to make this tea. Let's get right into it. Peppermint, also known as Mentha peperita, is an aromatic herb in the mint family that is a cross between watermint and spearmint. Native to Europe and Asia, it has been used for thousands of years for its pleasant, minty taste and health benefits. Many people consume peppermint as a refreshing caffeine-free tea. Now, let's look at some of the benefits. Number 1. May relieve clogged sinuses. Peppermint has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. Because of this, peppermint tea may fight clogged sinuses due to infections, the common cold, and allergies. Additionally, research demonstrates that menthol, which is one of the active compounds in peppermint, improves the perception of airflow in your nasal cavity. Therefore, steam from peppermint tea may help you feel as though you're breathing easier. Though peppermint tea has not been studied for its effects on nasal congestion, evidence suggests that it may be helpful. Number 2. May help relieve menstrual cramps. Because peppermint acts as a muscle relaxant, it may relieve menstrual cramps. While peppermint tea has not been studied for that effect, compounds in peppermint have been shown to improve symptoms. In one study, 127 women with painful periods, peppermint extracts capsules were found to be as effective as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug in reducing the intensity and duration of pain. It is possible that peppermint tea could have similar effects. Alright, so here we have our 1 cup of water. Well, a little bit over 1 cup, and now some of the water will evaporate. Alright, so now we're going to pour it in our pot and let it boil. Number 3. May improve your sleep. Peppermint tea is an ideal choice before bed as it's naturally caffeine-free. What's more, peppermint's capacity as a muscle relaxant may help you relax before bedtime. That said, there is not much scientific evidence that peppermint enhances sleep. Number 4, may aid weight loss. Peppermint tea is a calorie-free beverage that may help satisfy your sweet tooth and reduce your appetite. However, more studies on peppermint and weight loss are needed. Number 5, may improve concentration. Drinking peppermint tea may help improve your ability to concentrate and focus. Studies on the effects of peppermint tea on concentration are, however, unavailable. Yes, so let's pour our first cup of mint tea. Now I'm going to add a bit of honey. Number 6, fights bad breath. Most mouth fresheners have peppermint in it. The active oil known as menthol present in the tea promotes fresh breath. Its antibacterial properties help wash off any possible plaque that leads to foul smell. It's now time for me to take the first sip of my peppermint tea. Cheers! So refreshing. So guys, if you've been exposed to a different species of mint, let me know in the comment section. Remember guys, your health is your wealth. I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be